Hey y'all, it's Barbie here. I know it's not the typical intro, and here's why. I want to tell y'all about an upcoming giveaway, or a possible upcoming giveaway. I'm going to give away a Quest 2, along with a link cable for a PC, and a charging dock for your Quest, along with a Steam gift card. So, here's the deal. If we can make it to 100 subs, I will be going through with this giveaway, and as we get closer to this goal, I will provide more info on how you can enter. And who knows, maybe I'll do something like this once a month or every other month. So, let's get to 100 subs. Whether you use this for yourself or an opportunity to get a gift for a friend or someone. But let's get to 100 subs. We'll do this giveaway and enjoy the rest of the video.
Barbie, come look at this thing over here.
It's cute. Okay.
Look at how stupid it is. Look how small it is. You could squish it with a fucking flick of his wrist.
Yeah,
You know those bug zappers? Get it with a bug zapper.
Yeah, you can flick them out real quick. You're the size of my pecker. What the hell's so impressive about you?
No. Just because it is the size of a fetus does not.
Oh, that means
Fetus.
you can yeet
The
it,
hell kind of
kick it, punt it with a foot, punt it like a football.
It's the size of a rock, okay? Well, I mean,
A rock?
Jesus, I felt my pants so quick just to make sure I didn't lose you, mister.
But still, I mean, like, it is kind of a rock because you could just pick it up and throw it.
No, I mean, no.
Or step on
Well,
it. But
you can do the same thing to a child, but...
Did you cut my pecker off and put him on the floor? You gave it a name too, huh?
I didn't do nothing.
Ooh, I
Breadcrumbs.
got one. This is
Come
little
here, little
Billy.
feller. I need you for tonight.
This is little Billy.
Uh-oh.
This is little Billy. Billy. A plus for Billy.
Don't name my pecker Billy. I don't want to name Billy. Name me.
Billy John.
Name's my pecker.
Billy John.
Billy John.
What's some country name?
Sadie Adler. There you go. Come on, Sadie.
What kind of name is that?
Or how about
Sadie? It's the thing he goes in every
Jorge?
Tuesday.
Or what about Toyota? What about Toyota?
Toyota. Don't name my pecker after a car. I ain't sponsored.
Toyota likes to play with toys.
He ain't a toy. He's mine.
Little
Toyota.
What the fuck's wrong with you, Luxury? What the fuck's wrong with you?
Oh my god. If you got the roaches on your
You know, when I said you could have fun without me, I didn't mean to do this.
I didn't do nothing. You cut your own dick off.
Then how'd he get there?
You cut your own dick off.
Hey, it's a roach. It's a roach.
I cut my own.
I
pecker
can't.
off.
I don't control
And
what
grew
kinks you're
legs.
into.
We're gonna step on the roach or not?
It's not a roach. Don't step on him. Either.
What about the roaches on your wall?
Jesus Christ. You know, you've been staring at him so damn long. Why don't you just touch him up a bit?
Wait, Seth, I have to tell you something. It's
What?
very important.
What?
There's something about your girl that just makes my head wanna twirl.
Kill me.
You like my stinky?
I never thought I'd hear Tanjiro say such annoying ass shit before.
Kill me.
Thought that was a Nosuke's job.
Kill me. Doink.
There's
Oh,
something about your girl.
Oh, please.
I'm
Never seen
done.
that.
Everybody's making
I'm
stupid ass form names.
My name, I got a name for you.
What?
I got a name for you.
Salami?
Your name, Ice JJ Fish.
No, it's not.
What?
Jesus Christ.
Ice JJ Fish. Uh-huh.
What's wrong with you, Luxury? What's wrong?
A whole lot of things. I got mental problems.
Yeah, I know.
I can tell.
So,
Calm down, everything will work out. Everything will work out.
Shit, I'm tired.
Shut the fuck up, everything will work out, don't worry. Don't worry.
I'm a damn alcoholic. I want my fucking liquor.
Come on, look at me. Damn! Yeah? Look at me. I fucking love you, bro. Get over here.
The hell you want?
Everything will be okay. Everything is okay. Everything's okay. You're a good bartender.
Well, I would snatch your little bandana-looking ass up and turn you into a goddamn sheep, you son of a bitch.
Gives me infinite ammo.
Who the hell are you?
I'm 70% sure.
You
Which
with
one?
the dumbass ponytail.
Wait, what? This thing a ponytail? What?
He has a mullet, you dumbass. You got a little thing on your head. What the hell's
You're the
that?
one who said it was a ponytail. What the fuck?
Shut up, you goddamn asshole. Where the hell's your eye patch?
Wow. Someone's
I'm
nicking
in
an
the
apple
liquor so I
milk
can
here.
calm down.
God, I leave you alone for 2 seconds.
Shut it, woman. Give me my liquor.
What the fuck?
It's like watching
That's
a
water,
fucking
you
2-year-old.
asshole.
Every time I turn my
What do
back,
you
you get
mean?
yourself into some kind of mess.
I'm not in nothing.
No. I mean men.
Nick, I always knew you were gay by showing your butt cheeks up to the world, but Jesus, keep it on the low for once.
I told you they're good looking, Nate.
Listen, you DS looking motherfucker. Where's my liquor?
You threw
Can
it.
you even move your fingers?
You threw it.
I threw my liquor.
Get out of the bushes!
Goddamn sons of bitches!
Frisbee attack.
Old Arthur. That's a damn pancake, you dumbass.
I threw you with a breakfast Calvin, it's okay. It's okay.
Why is your baby bump so low? Why is your baby bump so low?
This is what I'm talking about!
It's just a bottle of liquor.
You motherfucker. Give me my liquor.
Fucking Christ.
Damn asshole with the stupid game.
That's a child.
Shit, we got a kid here. Kick him out. There's a fucking child in a bar. No.
And fuck you,
Snakes.
Nice.
Snakes.
Dutch.
God
Give me
is dead.
this
Fuck
mess.
this
I
one.
need this
You're a
for
funny
a
cat.
God, we're an alcoholic.
Oh.
Thank you. No, Calvin, listen here.
What the hell?
Took over our
The liquor turned on me.